Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making lumberjack themed cookies for a baby shower. And first off, you'll see that after my icing dries, I'll airbrush it just so I don't mess up the rest of the design on the cookie. So this part was kind of fun and also a pain in the butt because I had to draw out each individual bear, but they looked really cool once I did it. So once the bears were completely dry, I took my black airbrush and just colored them all. This onesie was super easy because all it was red with black airbrushed on top, and then I just glued the little bear on with some black icing. And I did the exact same thing to make this bib. So this tree is super easy. The only thing you have to do is worry about the layers. So you want to make sure that one layer is dry before you go in between and do the other ones. So I really enjoyed doing this acorn because I got to play around with the textures of it. I did this by dipping the wet end of the cap into chocolate sprinkles to give it that extra touch. So I really enjoyed doing the stump. The cool thing about this one is every couple minutes I kind of stirred up the outside to give it the extra texture of bark. You then finish the cookie off by adding the greenery around the letter. And there you have it, guys. There is my forest-themed baby shower cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed it and try some of these tips out. And have a wonderful day. See y'all next time.